What's the meaning of adornment? Adornment. 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 Adornment refers to the act of decorating or adding beauty to something. It can be the process of adding decorative objects or features to a person, place, or thing. The purpose of adornment is to enhance the appearance of something or someone. Adornment can include jewelry, clothing, makeup, and even tattoos. The result of adornment is to create a more visually appealing or aesthetically pleasing experience. Adornment can also be used to express cultural or personal identity, as well as to convey social status or symbolism.